Hello, welcome to a beautiful episode of Namaste America. So today is Friday night, and usually on Friday nights we try to stay at home. I'll be like exhausted and everybody just want to sit around and watch TV. But today we are kind of, we just want to go out. We are on our way to the mall. Usually it takes 20-25 minutes because we live pretty close to the airport, and this mall is situated right next to the International Airport of Tampa. Have reached International Mall, and the first few restaurants in the entrance of the mall, you can see some restaurants, and then once you pass the restaurants you can get into the mall. There are actually multiple ways to get into the mall, but right now we park next to the Cheesecake Factory. Inside Cheesecake Factory, a nice restaurant. Getting in the restaurant, usually there's like a 1 hour to 2 hour wait time to get into this restaurant, but today I think since we came a little early, we are not waiting. Nice, beautiful spot. Excited to be here, and Cheesecake Factory is one of my favorite. I think it's one of the family favorite. We always come here for every occasion, like doesn't matter birthday or anniversary, anything, like we pretty much come here to celebrate, and the cheesecake is like to die for. I mean about Cheesecake Factory,
it's a good place. Different types of menus.
What's the favorite food that you like here? Costolata, chicken costolata. So our favorite is chicken costolata. Their spicy chipotle pasta is really good. Then there is some other chicken which I forgot, I think marsala or something. And then there is an Asian menu where it comes with beans and rice and fish. That is really good. And trust me, always buy or always try to share your food with your family member, because the cheesecake is to die for. You can't miss this, you can't leave this restaurant without having a cheesecake. So talking a little bit of Cheesecake Factory, it was first founded as a bakery back in California, like about 50 years back. So it started as a bakery and eventually it turned into a popular restaurant. They have sandwich, all kinds of appetizers, pasta. Even though it's an American restaurant, you can find all kinds of cuisine here: Thai, Asian, Chinese, American, all kinds. So that's one peculiar thing about Cheesecake Factory. And in fact the menu looks like a book. It's not even like a menu, it looks like a huge book, because there's plenty of stuff you can order. So there is no menu right now, right? You have to scan the menu.
Yeah, you scan the menu and they pick different options here.
Okay, for appetizers and lunch and everything. Okay, cool.
you will have lemonade if you drink. And then
This is coastal latte? Oh, they
we
didn't.
wait for mom's food and then she wants to take a picture.
Okay.
Oh, all the food?
Yeah. Enjoy.
Baha chicken. This is raspberry white chocolate truffle. What happened? And mine is the authentic authentic strawberry cheesecake. You can share. Oh my god.
Let's bring in
More cheesecake?
forks.
Thank you.
Mommy has a tiny bit. I can barely get it. Let me try. This is the best cheesecake.
Oh my god, so good. The white chocolate, raspberry truffle. Oh my goodness. Too sweet for you, right?
You like
Thank you.
That's a cool car. അപ്പം ഈ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇറ്റാലിയൻ റെസ്റ്റോറൻ്റ് ആണ്. It's good to be bad. So we are tired. We are done with our walking, outing, dinner, whatever it is. So until I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog, and we'll see you in next vlog. Until then, this is Sajna signing off. Bye bye.